Hey traders, let's take a quick look at SEI today. SEG is up 6% in the last 24 hours, now sitting around $0.056, and trading volume is looking strong. With the market turning green today, the big question is, are we gearing up for the next bullish momentum? Or is this just a classic bull trap? Remember, strong volume can signal real interest, but quick pumps can also fake out traders. So stay sharp, manage your risk, and don't chase the hype. Let's see what SEI does next. Also, quick update. We've just released our latest SEI Crypto price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for SEI. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime, happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.